Strategies. In our previous video, we talked about the context of the project. If you haven't watched that video yet, there is a link in the description down below. After we identify the problems and potentials, the next step is to generate strategies according to those variables.
In architecture, the strategies are the action we make to solve the problems or explore the potential of the context. Let me show you how to do it. The first strategy will be to modify the topography to create a solid ground that will organize the uses of this place. This will solve the problem with the previous topography and the abandoned state of the place. As you can see here, we propose to change the tiny basketball court that was there for a new one that now follows the rules for mini basket. The ground generates the bleachers and then create a new space with new possibilities. The second strategy will be to create new limits using an open work wall. This will solve the problem of not having defined limits. And at the same time, because of the materials of this wall, it will explore the potential views, allowing people to see the city from the inside. It will filter the light and also will generate different access to its surroundings. The third one is the use of plants and trees. In this one, we are using it as landscaping and also, in some cases, as a barrier between our space and the existing houses that is next to our project. This should minimize the sound from the sporting space to try not to bother those houses.
The structure of the roof is the next strategy. In here, we're creating a vertical structure that will support the roof. But not only that, it will allow an access at a new level, and it will generate services like bathrooms with changing rooms, a cafeteria and a multi-use cultural space in a middle level platform. Another one is the roof. Not only this was a requirement from the community of Ladera, but also this is one of the essential elements of the project. The roof will protect the people from the rain and the sun. Also, it will articulate the cultural and the sporting space, but we want to take the function of this a little bit further. It will also collect water from the rain and generate energy, making this space sustainable. The sustainability concept talks about economic development, social development, and environmental protection, but also it's about things lasting in time, being efficient and rational with resources. It makes us think about the needs of future generations. Because of this, the majority of the decisions we are making for this project are based on this concept. For this next strategy, we have the idea of design and construct different furniture, a ceiling and other things with recycled or donated materials. Then, through workshops with the community, construct those elements. In that way, the community gets more involved on the project and they can learn about design and construction process. This will be one of the latest phases of the project. We will be creating also a space on the project destined to collect the trash from the community with different recycling bins. In that way, the community can start recycling their own waste.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell us on the comment what do you think about the project so far.
Hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more of our videos. Also, make sure you are following us in our other social medias like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description down below.
Bye!
In architecture, the notion of context is very important. As Rafael Moneo said, it seems